Hi guys, hope you had a fantastic week. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and check out my other videos and do consider subscribing. Today I am going to cook a super delicious Lotha style dry fish chutney from Nagaland called Machihan. It is a flavorful, slightly bitter, distinctively unique chutney. The ingredients required for this chutney are dry fish. Wash the dry fish in hot water multiple times, then chop them into small stripes. Ensure that there are no bones. Tomatoes sliced into halves, sliced bittergourd, sliced brinjal, green chillies, crushed garlic cloves, and salt. Now let's start making our chutney. Take a deep pan. Add the chopped tomatoes, green chillies, dry fish and salt. Pour 1 cup of water. Stir it well, cover and cook it for 10 minutes until the water begins to boil. Now add the chopped bittergourd. Cover and cook it until the gourd is tender. This should take about 5 minutes. Take out the cooked green chillies and pound it in a mortar and pestle. Once pounded, put it back into the pot. Add the chopped brinjal and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes. Ensure that the vegetables are not overcooked as it should not be runny. Now finally add the crushed garlic cloves and stir it well. Cover the lid so that the flavors get beautifully infused into the chutney. My chutney looks ready to be served. This Machihan has a perfectly balanced flavor, versatile as it goes with any meals, and it's not just delicious but healthy and appetizing. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, do give it a big thumbs up. And now it's time for me to dig in. And see you guys next week.